will be your new apartment. You have a keypad, and here is the entrance. Nice full-length mirror here. And to the left is the first extra room. It has a nice porch on the back where we keep our bikes. Some nice windows, a giant church out the front. And back through this way, here is the living room. There's a couch, some nice wall hangings, the air conditioner in the corner, more wall hangings, this giant piece of furniture that no one knows what to do with. And out here, well, let's show you this. Very large doors. And out here is the back porch. The rest of the air conditioner, I put a bookcase. I don't know, there's a water hose here and a small closet in the back that is full of old computers. And here's the view out the back. Beautiful green hill. Once in a while you can see an old woman who farms this patch of green area. And then back inside through the living room. Here's the master bedroom. It's pretty large. The bed is not so large. And then you have a wardrobe. And there's an additional wardrobe in the other bedroom, where there is indeed another bed and a wardrobe. And then between those is the bathroom. It's a little bit small, but it does have a real shower, not a Korean style shower. And then here's the kitchen. I am in the middle of making lunch, so it's not the most tidy. And out behind the kitchen is the refrigerator, our oven, and the washing machine, along with another view of the church.